3 times, all of us together. Sai, please do Suklambaratharam. Sai.
Suklambaratharam Shashivarnam Chaturбhujam Prasannavathanam
Wait. Saundarya, Saraswati Namastubhyam.
Yes, ma'am. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarapam Shyami Siddhat Bhavatu Me Sada.
Yeah. Umaji, Guru Brahma.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha.
Madam, one student wants to join. Whether Santoshi was
Correct. Santoshi is there. Yes, sir. Had it, sir. Okay. Sir, will you please say Gurave Sarvalokana? Did we finish that in this class? Gurave Sarvalokana? No, I don't think so. Okay. We'll start with Sahasranamam. Santoshi, will you start Kanna? Suklambaratharam Vyasam Vasishnavtaram.
Okay, ma'am.
You do 4.
Shuklam.
Start.
Ma'am?
Start. Suklambaratharam.
Okay, ma'am. Shuklam Bharata Vishnu Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavathanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantehe Vyasam Vasishthanavtaram Shakte Pautramagavimasham Parasarat Manjam Vande Shugatatam Tabomidam.
Vyasaya. Do Vyasaya also. Santoshi, Vyasaya.
Okay. Vyasaya Vishnurubhaya Vyasarubhaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmnidaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha.
Enough. Saundarya? Saundarya will do Avikara.
Yes, ma'am. Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadekarubarupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave Yash Marane Matrena Janma Samshara Bandhana Vipchate Namastasmai Vishnave Prabha Vishnave Om Namo Vishnave Prabha Vishnave Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha Shrutva Dharmana Sheshena Pavanani Shasharvashakha Yudhishthira Shantanavam Punarevapya Pashadaha.
Umaji, Yudhishthira Uvacha.
Yes, ma'am. Yudhishthira Uvacha Kimekam Taivatam Loke Kim Vaipyekam Parayanam Stuvantha Kam Chantaha Prapnur Yurman Navaha Subham Ko Dharma Sarva Dharmanam Bhavatah Parmo Madaha Kim Jamat Muktate Jantur Janma Samsara Bandhanat Shri Bhishma Muvacha Jagat Prabhum Deva Devam Anantam Purushottamam Tuvantnama Sahasrena Purushaha Sadottatviha Satatotitaha.
Sai? Continue.
Tameva Chachain Nityam Bhaktya Purushamavvyam Tyayan Stuvan Namasamsa Yajamanustameyocha Anadi Nigana Vishnu Sarvaloka Maheshwaram लोकाध्यक्षं सुवनित्यं सर्वदुःखादिगो भवेत् ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्मण्यं लोकनां कीर्तिवर्धनं लोकनाथमद्भुतं सर्वभूतभवोद्भवम्.
Did we do that next slokam? Yeshame. Sir, will you please do from starting till here? Keshamurthy sir? Keshamurthy sir, are you there? Okay. Keshame sarvadharmanam. Is it still echoing, ma? Santoshi?
Now it's clear, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Keshame sarvadharmanam dharmodhika tamo mataha. Please repeat, all of you. Eshame sarvadharmanam dharmodhika tamo mataha. Yadbhaktya pundarikaksham tavair archenara sada archenara tavair archenara sada sada. Umaji, will you repeat this? Eshame sarvad.
Eshame sarvadharmanam dharmodikatakam yat bhaktya pundarekaksham. Last one.
Stavair. Yes, Stavair. Archenara sada. Archenara sada. Yadbhaktya pundarikaksham stavair archenara sada. Saundarya? Saundarya, say karna. Eshame
सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेन्नरस्तः
sada. Yes.
सदः.
Sai?
eshame sarvadharmanam dharmodikadamo madaha yadbhaktya pundarikaksham stavairarchenara sada.
Santosh.
eshame sarvadharmanam dharmodikadamo madaha yadbhaktya pundarikaksham stavairarchenara sada.
Paramam yo mahattejaha paramam yo mahattapaha mahattapaha. Okay, mahat tejaha. So that will become double ta there. Paramam yo mahattejaha paramam yo mahattapaha paramam yo mahad 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 brahmaha paramam yah parayanam paramam yah parayanam vayeh paramam yah parayanam. I will say once again. Paramam yo mahattejaha paramam yo mahattapaha paramam yo mahad brahmaha paramam yah parayanam. Who wants to try? Who wants to say now immediately? Yes, Saundarya.
परमं यो महत्तेज परमं यो महत्तपः परमं यो महत्ब्रह्मः परमं ये परायणं.
Paramam yah parayanam yah. Okay? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Santoshi?
Okay, ma'am. Paramam yo mahattejaha paramam yo mahattavaha paramam yo mahatbrahmaha paramam ya parayanam.
Yes. Umaji?
Yes, ma'am. परमं यो महत्तेजः परमं यो महत्तपः परमं यो महत्ब्रह्म ब्रह्म ब्रह्मं यत्परायणम्
Brahma, that's it. No aha there, sorry. Paramam yo mahad Brahma, paramam yah parayanam.
Yes. Parayanam.
Sai?
paramam yo mahatejah paramam yo mahattabah paramam yo mahatbrahma paramam ya parayanam.
Yes. Pavitranam pavitram yo. Okay, pavitranam, please have a pencil. Pavitranam pavitram yo. After a there is a small gap. Mangalanam cha mangalam. Pavitranam pavitram yo. Mangalanam cha mangalam. Cha is separate. CHA cha is separate. Mangalanam cha mangalam. Daivatam devatanam cha bhutanam yo vyayah pita. Vyayah V-Y-A-Y-A-H V-Y-A-Y-A-H Vyayah pita. Daivatam devatanam cha bhutanam yo vyayah pita. Pavitranam pavitram yo. Mangalanam cha mangalam. Daivatam devatanam cha bhutanam yo vyayah pita. Okay? Saundarya?
Yes, ma'am. Pavitranam pavitram yo. Mangalanam shamangalam. Daivadam daivadanam cha bhudanam yo vyayah pita.
Santoshi?
Okay, ma'am. Pavitranam pavitram yo mangalanam samangalam saivadam devatanam sa bhudanam vyayam pida.
Bhutanam. Okay. Both are long. Bhutanam. Okay. Yo vyayah pita.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Read again. Daivatam. Say again, Santoshi. Daivatam. Devatanam cha.
Okay, ma'am. Saivadam devatanam sa bhudanam yo vyayam pida.
That's what you are telling. Bhutanam. It is Bhutanam. No, it is long sound. No, Bhutana. Open your mouth and say, yeah. Uma?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pavitranam.
Pavitranam pavitram yo mangalanam tadamangalam daivatam devanatam sa bhutanam yo avyayah pita.
No, avyayah. Vyayah pita. No, avyaya is wrong. Just say vyayah. Vyayah. It starts with V. No.
Vyaya.
Yo is separate. After yo, please give a gap. Bhutanam yo. Vyayah pita. Vyayah. No, avyaya is wrong. Okay? Say again. Daivatam devatanam cha.
Daivatam devanatam cha.
Devatanam cha.
Devatanam.
If you want, after devata you can pause. Daivatam devatanam cha. Nam is separate, cha is separate. Put a pencil mark. Okay, all of you.
Daivatam devanatanam cha bhutanamam yo.
Bhutanam
yo
vyayah pita.
avyayam pita.
No avyayah. After yo, please stop. Listen. Please listen now. Daivatam devatanam cha bhutanam yo vyayah pita. I'm not telling avyayah pita. I'm telling vyayah pita.
Vyayah pita.
Correct.
Yes.
Now you please say from Umaji. You please say from Eshame. Eshame till Vyaya. About 2 slokams above. Eshame.
Okay. एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्तया पुण्डरीकाक्षं सर्वयोर्चेन्दरः सदा परमं यो महत्तेजः ब्रह्मं यो महत्पदः ब्रह्मं यो महत्ब्रह्मः परमं यो
महद्ब्रह्मा
परमं यो महत्तेजः ब्रह्मं यो महत्तपः परमं यो महत्ब्रह्मः ब्रह्मं यत्परायणम् पवित्राणां पवित्रं यो मङ्गलानां सदा मङ्गलं दैवतं देवनाथं स भूतानां यो पिता
Sai say from Eshame. Sai say from Eshame till Vyaya Pita.
Eshame sarvadharmanam dharmodikadamo madaha yat bhaktya pundarigaksham stavairarchenarasada paramam yo mahateja paramam yo mahattavaha paramam yo mahatbrahma paramam yaparayanam pavitranam pavitram yo mangalanam sha mangalam daivadam devadanam sha bhudanam yo vyayapita.
Good. Saundarya. From
Mama, could you please repeat the second one?
Yeah. Daivatam Devatanam. So we should observe that there is I and A. Daivatam Devatanam Cha Bhutanam Yo Vyaya Pita.
Yes, ma'am. That time, ma'am.
Which one?
Mangalanam.
Pavitranam Pavitram Yo Mangalanam Cha Mangalam Daivatam Devatanam Cha Bhutanam Yo Vyaya Pita. Pavitranam Pavitram Yo Mangalanam Cha Mangalam. Pavitranam Pavitram Yo Mangalanam Cha Mangalam. Try from Eshame. When you get a problem, we'll do again.
Eshame sarvadharmanam dharmodikadamo madaha yat bhaktya pundarigaksham stavairarchenarasada paramam yo mahatteja paramam yo mahattabaha paramam yo mahatbrahmaha paramam yaparayanam pavitranam pavitram yo mangalanam cha mangalam daivadam devadanam cha bhudanam yo vyayapita.
Santoshi.
एष्मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो
Separately, don't say Eshme. Say Eshame. Sha is separate. Eshame.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Open your mouth.
एषमे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मदगा यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं सैवरसेनरसदा
Savair.
Okay, ma'am. Savairsenarastada
Continue.
Paramam yo mahatteja Paramam yo mahattabaha Paramam yo mahatbrahma Paramam yaparayanam Pavitranam pavitram yo Mangalanam sammangalam Taivadam devatanam sa bhutanam yo jayam pida.
Yatas Say with me. Yatas.
Ma'am.
No, everybody. Please listen. Yatas. Sarvani. Yatas.
Yasas sarvani.
Bhutani.
Bhutani.
Bhavantyadi.
Bhavantyati.
Yugagame.
Yugagame.
Yatas. Okay.
Yatas.
Then sarvani.
Sarvani.
Bhutani. Bhavantyadi. Yugagame.
Bhavantyati. Yugadi.
Yugagame.
Yugagame.
Yugagame. Okay. Yatas sarvani bhutani bhavantyadi yugagame. I will read from Brahmanyam. Please listen. Brahmanyam sarvadharmajnam lokanam kirtivardhanam lokanatham mahadbhutam sarvabhuta bhavodbhavam esha me sarvadharmanam dharmodhikatamo matah yadbhaktya pundarikaksham stavair archenara sada paramam yo mahattejah paramam yo mahattapah paramam yo mahadbrahma paramam yah parayanam pavitranam pavitram yo mangalanam cha mangalam daivatam devatanam cha bhutanam yo vyayah pita yatas sarvani bhutani bhavantyadi yugagame. Okay, so today till here Sai say yatas sarvani.
यदा सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादि युगागमे.
सौंदर्य.
यदा सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादि युगागमे.
उमा जी.
Yes, ma'am. Yadam sarvani bhutani bhavantyadi yugagame.
Santoshi.
यदा सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादि युगागमे.
Yes. Saundarya, you read? You finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So please practice till here. How many of you are listening to MS Subbulakshmi ji's audio? Please listen to that till where we completed. Okay? That will help us a lot.
Okay.
Keshavamurthy sir, are you there? Okay. Yeah. So we will stop here. Please continue your practice. Is it comfortable for everybody like this slokam? Number of slokams?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything can always personally message me. Please do audio record of your practice and you can always share in our group. Okay? Then we will stop with here. Yadakshara. Who will say that? Yadakshara padaprashtam. Okay. We have to do Ishvara Uvacha, no? Sri Rama Rama. Saundarya, can you do Ishvara Uvacha? Sri Rama Rama.
Yes, ma'am. ईश्वर श्री राम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने.
Sai, Yadakshara Padaprashtam. Can you open that page? Who is ready with that page? Yadakshara Padaprashtam.
यदक्षर बलभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यत् भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोस्तुते.
Good. Umaji, Kayena Vacha. Do you have that?
I don't. Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Yeah, last page. Please wait, Santoshi. You will do Om Sahna also. Okay, Umaji will do Kaya.